Hi, I'm EP0084 and today I'll be speaking for the motion.
I'm EP0085 and I've decided to speak against the motion. Mars mission is for mankind's success.
No other Arab country has attempted a mission to another planet before, making the UAE's initiative a truly historic moment in the history of space expeditions. Hope Probe is an accomplishment of every single Emirati, a source of pride of every citizen in UAE, a path-breaking achievement for the engineers. More than hundreds of scientists, Emirati scientists, have coordinated to create this probe and send it to Mars, which have become successful.
I strongly believe that the Al Amal Hope mission was certainly unnecessary at this time. Almost $200 million was required for the mission. Now, imagine if we could have that amount at this situation of pandemic. It would have been a huge help. Furthermore, the chances of success of the mission were equal to the chances of failure. So, if this mission was a failure, it's a huge waste of time, manpower, and money. Now, some might say this is a huge step for UAE, and yes, it is, but this is not the right time to launch a project like Al Aman.
So basically, this took 2 years where UAE has taken a great step forward to accomplish. They had to take the risks and consequences to accomplish this great historic task. More than hundreds of scientists have been determined and committed to creating this probe.
A lot of time and investment was needed for the mission, and all these resources were could have been a better could have had a better use against the pandemic. A lot of coordination and calculations were also needed. If this time could have been invested on developing the vaccine, or even using the money to purchase the new medical appliances, or helping the organizations who work towards helping the COVID affected people.
See, by creating this probe, we will get in great economical development happening in the United Arab Emirates. We will get more profit than what we think. And with that profit, we can create the vaccine and then we can give it to the poor orphan organizations and develop the country.
This mission mainly just focuses on man's success and aiming for future goals, and is looking upon less against the economy state at this time of the pandemic. And all of these resources used could have been combined towards helping people recover from the pandemic. The time, effort, and investment given to Al Amal could have been a huge help. There were a lot of organizations who needed help during the pandemic. Medical supplies could have been bought. There have been several shortages of vaccines around UAE, and if the time and resources used for the mission could have been invested into making more vaccine or buying medical supplies, it would have been more good for the society.
See, this is a dream for every Emirati to accomplish a great historical movement for their country. It is a great step for the future generation.
I would like to conclude saying that even though this was a huge dream of the Emiratis, this mission was not necessary during this time of the pandemic. And I would like to ask you a question. Why did you believe that this mission would be a success? And do you think the money invested to Amal wouldn't help during the pandemic?
See, as I said before, it was every single Arab's dream, and also they were committed and determined to achieve such a great historic movement. This is a great innovation which they have done. So you can't just say that it's a waste of money or something. It's a achievement which the people of the United Arab Emirates were determined.
Do you still believe that this mission would have been a guaranteed success, as the chances of success were also slim?
Honestly, I believed that it was a success because the determination I saw from the scientists. Thank you.
Thank you.